Good morning, dear students of St. Mary's Convent School, Mariam Nagar. Class 2, Subject Conversation. Conversation is an oral subject. The name of your conversation book is Gentle Conversation. Open your Gentle Conversation book, page number 2727, chapter number 11. The name of the chapter is A Dialogue with a Toy. Dialogue means conversation. A dialogue with a toy. Toy, you all know, something by which we play. This is a fantasy conversation between a child and his new toy. Fantasy conversation. Fantasy means situation that are not true, that you just imagine. Means this is a conversation that is going on in imagination between a child and his new toy. Toy. Hello, Ron. Ron is the name of the child. Hello, Ron. I am Mr. Toy. Ron. Hello, Mr. Toy. They say hello to each other, the toy and the child Ron. Toy. I am your new toy. He introduces him that he is Ron's new toy. Ron. I love to play with you. Ron says that he would love to play with his toy. Toy. It is easy to play with me. All you have to do is to turn the key at my back. Now, Toy says that it is very easy to play with me. What Ron is supposed to do if he wants to play with the toy? He has to turn the key at his back. Ron, turning the key like this. Now, Ron turns the key as suggested by the toy and asks, like this, I have to turn the key? Toy, yes, like that. Now I will walk and beat the drum for you. So, what the toy will do after the key is turned at his back? He will walk and beat the drum. Okay? Ron, wow, can you sing a song too? Now Ron get excited and ask his toy, can you also sing a song? Toy, no, sorry, I have not been made to sing a song. Now Toy says, sorry, that he can't sing a song because my maker did not teach me how to sing. Maker, who is a maker? A person, company, or machine that makes something. So that person is known as, or thing is known as maker, a someone who made you. So Toy says that his maker did not teach him how to sing. He only knows how to beat the drum and walk. Ron, but my maker told me how to sing. Now Ron says that his maker had told him how to sing. This means that Ron says that he knows how to sing. Toy, who made you? Now Toy have a question. Who made you? Who is your maker? Ron, God made me. Who made Ron? God, because Ron is a human being and we all are made by God. All the humans are made by God. God made me. He has taught me many things. Yes, it is true that God has made us and He taught us many things like singing, dancing, eating, studying. Everything He has taught us, how to study, how to dance, how to sing, everything. Toy, can you sing a song? Now Toy asked Ron, can you sing a song? Ron, yes, I can. You will play the drum as I sing the song. Ron says to Toy that you have to play the drum when I will sing. Now turn your page, come to page number 2828. Let us continue this conversation. Toy. Okay, just turn the key back again. Toy agrees that he will beat the drum for Ron. but he has to turn the key again. Ron turns the key, the toy walks and plays the drum again. The toy started walking and playing the drum. Ron starts singing. Toy, that was so good. Now, Toy enjoyed the performance of Ron very much. Ron, we will make a good team. Ron happily says that his toy and he will make a good team. You a drummer, me a singer. Drummer, who is a drummer? Who beats the drum. And who is a singer? A person who sings. So here drummer is the toy and singer is Ron. So he says that they both will make a good team together. So student, this was all there in chapter number 11. Your homework is you have to read the conversation that is given in chapter number 11 on your own.